Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we have seen about EDI, right? And we are seeing about EDI fact, right? What is EDI fact? Electronic data interchange for administration, commerce and transport, right? In EDI fact, we have seen EDI fact directories, EDI fact subsets, EDI fact structure, right? In that we have seen about segment tables, EDI interchange, right? And today we are going to see about EDI fact message. Okay, the basic standardization concept of this EDI fact is there are uniform message types and they are called UNSM. Okay, uniform message types are there in this EDI fact messaging concept, and that is called as United Nations Standard Message. Okay, UNSM. Okay, in this so-called subset, the message types can be specified into some characteristics with depending on its sector. Okay, or it will have some sections, and depending on these characteristics, these messaging types can be specified deeper. The message types, all of this will always exactly have one nickname, and that nickname will consist of 6 uppercase English alphabets. That means the message types, all of which that means each nickname will be consisting of 6 uppercase English alphabets. That means it will have 6 characters and it will be of capital letters in English, right? This message will begin with UNH and it will end with UNT, right? The service messages, that means to either to confirm or to reject a message, control, and APERAK. These messages are sent. Okay, control means the syntax check and confirmation of arrival of message. Control means the syntax will be checked and the confirmation of whether the message has arrived. That is control. APERAK is technical error message, or it is like acknowledgement to check whether there is error. Okay, if there is any technical error in that message, we'll get it as APERAK, right? And the next one, we saw about service messages in EDI fact message, right? Service messages, and the another one is data exchange. Okay, data exchange, if you see CREMUL, that means it is a multiple credit advice, right? Delivery forecast means DELFOR, that is delivery forecast. Booking information is IFTMBC, that is booking information, right? The data exchange for multiple credit advice, you will say it as CREMUL. Delivery forecast is DELFOR. Booking confirmation IFTMBC, right? And the next one is about EDI fact and EDI elements, right? EDI segment, EDI facts segments, EDI facts elements, and EDI facts separators. Okay, we know what is EDI. EDI is electronic data interchange, right? EDI fact is electronic data interchange for administration, commerce, and transportation, right? This EDI fact segment, that means this is a subset of message. Okay, a segment means that is a 3-character alphanumeric code. Alphanumeric means we have seen it in previous chapters also. It may be an alphabet or a numerical. That means it may be a letter, alphabet A to Z, or it may be a number also, right? So it is a 3-character. 3 characters will be there, and it is a alphanumeric code. It can either be alphabets or it can be a numeric. Okay, these segments are listed in segment tables. Okay, these segments will have one or it may have many related user data elements also, right? EDI fact segment, that means it is a subset of message. Okay, a segment means it will have 3-character alphanumeric code, right? These segments are listed in segment tables and it may contain one or more relative user elements. Okay, let's see what is elements. Okay, EDI fact element. These elements means these are a piece of actual data. Okay, these data elements can be simple or composite also, right? Here, except from EDI fact message, it might be uh, uh, this line DTM plus 11 colon 200600 606 200 730 colon 203. This whole line, this is called a segment. Okay, the meaning of this code means DTM, that first segment, that DTM is the segment identifier, and this indicates that this data is time information or it may be a data information, right? And the next one is 11. 11 means it is the data element, right? Here in this example, it is a qualifier which describes what kind of event this is, right? The code 11. 11 means it is a time of dispatch or it is a delivery of goods. Okay, and the next one 200 606 200 730. This is another element, right? Here this represents the date in the format first CC YY MM DD HH MM. That means CC is century, Y is year, M is for month, DD is for date, HH is for hour, and MM is for minutes. Right? So here 200, 200, 606, that first 20 is century. So it is 20. And next one is 06. So that is a year. That is 2006. And the next two is a month, that is 06. Again it is June, right? And the next two is date, that is 20. 20 is the date. R is 07, that is the hour. And the last two, 30 is the minute. Okay, right? So this is the way to identify this EDI fact message. Okay, this 203 is also a element. After this code, we have 203 in the end, right? So this is also an element. This is a identifier for the date format, right? This 203 means there is a date, and this is in the format of the same CCYYMM, that only, right? And let's see about EDI separators. Okay, EDI separators means this function, this last one symbol is there, right? That apostrophe symbol. That apostrophe symbol we have seen in this EDI fact message example. Here we have some other punctuation marks also used in this used as a standard separators, right? Apostrophe, that means it is a segment terminator. That is a ending, and that is for ending the segment, right? Plus symbol, if there is a plus sign, that is a segment tag and data element separator, right? If it is a colon, it is the component data element separator, right? If it is a question mark, it is a release character. If it is a dot, it is a period or it is a decimal point, right? Apostrophe is the segment end of the segment, that is a segment terminator. Plus is plus is used to show the segment tag and data element separator. Colon means it is the component data element separator. Question mark is the release character, right? And dot is decimal point, that is used as a decimal point, right? So we have seen about EDI fact segment, EDI fact element, and EDI fact separators. Right here they have given an example here, right, in this EDI fact messaging system. It is in page number 260, right? UNA, UNB. Here we have seen the EDI fact message structure, right? The highest level, interchange, functional group, message, segment group, segments, composite elements, simple data elements, and till the lowest level, right? And here they have given an example, and I have explained you that DTM plus 11, that one also I have explained you, right? Here in this example, they have given UNA colon plus dot question mark apostrophe. The separators, the standard separators uses also, here it is in 259, page number 259, right? Apostrophe means it is a segment terminator. Plus is segment tag and data element separator. Colon is component data element separator. Question mark is the release character. Dot period is decimal point, right? So from this symbols, if there is some punctuation marks also, you can just find out its uses, right? And here if it is given in that format which I said, DTM plus 11 means, you know that format also. What is DTM? DTM is the segment identifier, and it identifies the date information, or it identifies the time information, right? So we have come to the end of this EDI, electronic data interchange, this last chapter, right? Let's just recall this chapter, okay? EDI, electronic data interchange, right? Here we have seen the introduction about EDI, right? And then we have seen about the types of EDI. What are the types of EDI? Direct EDI, EDI via value added network, EDI via protocols, that is FTP or VPN, SFTP, FTPS, and web-based EDI and smartphones or any handheld devices based EDI, that is mobile EDI, right? And then advantages of EDI. What are the advantages of EDI? Improving service to end users, increasing productivity, minimizing the errors, slashing response time, automation of operations, cutting cost, integrating all business and trading partners, providing information on process status, optimizing financial ratios, right? And then EDI layers, semantic layer, standard translation layer, transport layer, and physical layer, right? And then components of EDI, standard document format, translator and mapper, communication software, and communication network, right? And then we have seen about EDI standards, UN EDI fact, that is United Nations Electronic Data Interchange for Administration, Commerce, and Transport, right? And then we have seen about EDI fact directories, EDI fact subsets, EDI fact structure, EDI fact interchange, right? And we have seen about EDI fact message, EDI fact segment, EDI fact elements, and EDI fact separators, right? And in between we have seen about the segments and segment table also, right? You just read this chapter and try to find out the book back questions and study the 3 5 marks, right? Here explain the various types of EDI, advantages of EDI, write about the structure of EDI fact. These 3 questions are also important. If you are learning these 3, anyway any one will be there for your exam, right? If they are not asking in 5 marks, they may ask for 3 mark or 2 mark also, right? Since this is the last chapter, surely you will have some questions from this chapter, right? So you know what are the various types of EDI? I said you before, what are the types of EDI? EDI types are in page number 254, right? EDI types, direct EDI, EDI via value added network, EDI via protocol, web based EDI, mobile based EDI. That is the first 5 mark, right? And advantages of EDI also I said you now. What are the advantages? It is in page number 255, right? The advantages of EDI. That is the another 5 mark. And next one is structure of EDI fact, right? Structure of EDI fact also is in page number 257, right? We have seen about segment tables and all. These all will come under EDI fact structure, right? It is in page number 257. EDI fact is a hierarchical structure where the top level is referred to as interchange and the lower level contains multiple messages, right? This is the EDI fact structure. That is also a 5 mark, right? So learn this 5 marks today itself, right? Thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.